So do you want to know how I paint my customs and 3D prints while you're in luck? Because in this video, I will show you how I paint them. Oh yeah, people keep saying to make a tutorial on my withered Bonnie snap. I'm not sure if I'm going to make a video on that. So yeah, if you like the video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I know some of you don't like it, but I have to say it if I want to grow on YouTube. So yeah, let's get into how I paint my customs and 3D prints. So if you're thinking of following along, I don't really recommend it, because this is my first real video. So this is more of how I paint more than teaching you. But if you want to follow, you can. If you're going to follow, you need a good simple model to start with. As you can see, I printed a simple model of Freddy off of Thingiverse. The link will be in the description. The first thing you have to do, if you're new to 3D printing, is to clean the model and take off all the supports, and if you want, you can sand the model, but I'm not going to do that. But if you did or didn't, you can start painting. But first I have to say, if you are making a character with darker colors, like the Wizards use black for the base color, and if you are making a character with lighter colors, like the toys use white for the base. Now that we have our base color, we can move on to our main color, which is brown for Freddy. But for other characters, you will use their main color. Anyway, let's get started by painting the first color. As you can see, there are parts which have white showing, so I'm going to add more layers. About 8 layers should be good. But if you want, you can add more layers. If you have an airbrush, you can use that. It's better for colors that need way too many layers. Alright, now that I'm done painting the head, it's time for the body. If you're using the same model as me, the body will be the last thing we need painted brown. Let's start painting the body. It will be the same brown as the head. Let's start. Now that we're done painting everything brown, we can move on to the second color, which is light brown, or in my case, yellow. Because I'm making Freddy from the movie, let's begin painting. You may have noticed that the yellow paint is working, but it's going to need way too many layers. So I'm going to use a different color. This color is way better than the first one. Now it's time for the body. Now that I'm done with the body, I'm going to start painting the black parts next. If you're following along, add about 3 layers of yellow or light brown for the body. Oh, I forgot to mention this earlier. But if colors get on parts that have a different color, just recolor them. Now that we're almost done with the head, it's time to finish the body. The only thing we have to do is to paint the bow tie black. Now that the body is finished, we can finish the head by painting the teeth and adding the circles around the nose. Now that we're finished with the head, the final part is to glue it and show it. Thank you so much for watching, and let me know in the comments if you liked the video, and make sure to subscribe. See you soon.